This overloaded plane used every inch of the runway and barely took off at the last second. This Airbus A330 was taking off when at the last second, a flew of birds struck the plane, causing damage to the engine. The engine started vibrating, so the pilots declared an emergency and had to return to the airport. The plane then had to land while overweight, since it was supposed to burn its fuel from Dublin to Chicago. This Boeing 737 took off, but turned too much, causing the bank angle alarm to go off.
Bank angle.
This F-15 was taking off when suddenly it had a compressor stall, causing flames to shoot out of the engine. Luckily, the pilot could still abort the takeoff, and no one was injured. This C-5M Galaxy took off too slow, forcing the Airbus A330 behind it to go around. This Boeing 747 struck a bird while taking off from an airport in India. This Boeing 747 destroying the terrain next to the runway while taking off. This DHL Airbus 300 was taking off from Amsterdam when it suffered a bird strike. The pilots contacted the tower but decided to continue the flight and landed safely at its destination. This Boeing 747 was about to take off from Miami, but as it started its takeoff roll, the engine failed, resulting in smoke and an aborted takeoff. This Boeing 757 was taking off from Spain when the right-hand engine suffered repeated compressor stalls, causing flames to shoot out of it and forcing the plane to divert to a nearby airport. The plane later landed safely.